I didn't learn just on my own. Mama taught me how I'd grown. From the stories people say, I learned the world the human way. At school, at home, on every street. Learning happens when we meet, side by side, hand in hand. That's how we start to understand every voice, every sound. Helps me shape this growing mind. We learn together, don't you know? Together's how our minds all grow. We learn together, yes, it's true. I learn from you, you learn from me too. We learn together, sing it strong. No one learns alone, alone, alone. The songs we sing, the games we play, teach us how we think each day. Food stories, words we say, culture guides us on the way. Different homes, different views, still we learn in ways we choose. Where you're from shapes how you see that social cultural theory. What I know didn't just appear. From voices I could hear. We learn together, don't you know? Together's how our minds all grow. We learn together, yes, it's true. I learn from you, you learn from me too. We learn together, sing it strong. No one learns alone, alone, alone. Words are tools inside my head, helping me think what's left unsaid. When I talk and when I write, my ideas go day and night. Language helps my brain take shape, builds a bridge, helps me escape from confusion into sight. Words turn learning into life. When it's hard and I can't see, someone steps and helps guide me. Just a little help, that's all. Soon I'm standing, not gonna fall. I couldn't do it yesterday, but today I found my way. Help me now, I'll do it soon. That's how learning starts to bloom. We learn together, don't you know? Together's how our minds all grow. We learn together, loud and clear. From elders' words, we hold them dear. We learn together, sing it strong. No one learns alone, alone, alone. From the past into today, knowledge gets passed down the way. Hold my hand, help me see that's how we learn in community.